Venezuela's healthcare system is collapsing. According to Human Rights Watch, national hospitals are operating at a fraction of their capacity, and the public health infrastructure is so weak that in 2019, Venezuela had the worst steepest rise in malaria cases and other vaccine-preventable diseases. A year later, in March 2020, Venezuela's government confirmed the first two coronavirus cases. For this moment, the country was already in a particularly vulnerable situation because of the ongoing socio-economic and political crisis that caused the mass immigration of Venezuelan doctors and nurses. Besides that, Johns Hopkins University reported that Venezuela's count and death toll from the coronavirus was manipulated by the government, and the real infection range was thousands times higher than the one shown in the official figures. Considering that the government has not published epidemiological data since 2017, and having in mind the social need to obtain accurate information on the progress of the pandemic, Medicando was born. Medicando is an academic project based on Article 25 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the third Sustainable Development Goal, carried out by a group of 7 journalism students from Andrés Bello Catholic University to monitor the state of Caracas hospitals during the development of COVID-19 pandemic. The coverage of the situation was focused on the four main public health centers of the city using transmedia storytelling. Through multiple platforms that includes a blog, a YouTube channel, and social media accounts, the narrative expanded with intentional integration of technology and audience collaboration into a coordinated story to cover the state of basic equipment such as gloves, face masks, alcohol, and soap in public health centers of Caracas. Study the operation of public water and electricity services in the healthcare field. Evaluate the medical capacity for hospitalizations during COVID-19. The message behind this transmedia universe is to show that our actions and ideas can end up having positive long-term consequences for society, and how we, as civilians, can take advantage of the technology available to challenge audiences to generate the social change our countries need.